Hi everyone, meteorologist Taylor Canoost with your weather forecast. Things are going to get active overnight tonight with the cold front moving in from the west, and it's not going to bring us much precipitation, but what it will do is usher in some Arctic air and also bring us some windy conditions starting this evening, continuing through the night and early on Wednesday. Here are the forecast wind gusts for Des Moines, and just as that cold front moves in, we'll see a shift from southwesterly winds to gusty northwest winds that could be 40 to maybe up to 50 miles per hour starting this evening in Des Moines around 8 o'clock, continuing through the night. So it's going to be a blustery night. We have wind advisories that have been issued for western Iowa and parts of central Iowa starting at 6 p.m. on Tuesday, lasting until 6 a.m. on Wednesday. For those counties that are not in the wind advisory, they're in the winter weather advisory, and they're in this advisory not for any threat for additional snowfall, but for the threat of blowing snow that could cause some lowered visibilities and maybe some slick roadways out there overnight tonight and early on Wednesday. So again, gusty conditions overnight tonight for everyone. Blowing snow is a possibility, especially in rural locations. That could cause the lowered visibility and the slick conditions out there overnight on Tuesday night. So here's a look at FUTURECAST. Again, not actually any snow falling in most of the state. If anywhere, it's going to be northeast Iowa that sees a little bit of snowfall overnight and early on Wednesday. But even then, we're looking at probably less than 1 inch of total snow. So this is a dry system passing through the state, and again, Mason City, Decorah, perhaps Waterloo and Dubuque get a dusting of snow, but that is really about it as far as additional snow is concerned out of this system. Other than that, we're looking at quiet conditions moving forward here as far as snow is concerned, but we'll have a couple of minor systems passing across the region. One on Wednesday night skirts to our south. On Friday morning, there is a slight chance at some very light snow, mainly in the northwest corner of the state. I doubt that reaches Des Moines, but if it happens to reach Des Moines, it would just be flurries and nothing too significant in that regard. Let's talk wind chills overnight tonight. It's going to be a cold night and a cold start to Wednesday as that cold front moves on through. We'll see those wind chills drop to near zero in Des Moines by midnight, well below zero farther north and west. And that cold air sweeps across the state early on Wednesday. By the time many of you are heading to work or the kids are heading to school, we will see negative teens for wind chills on Wednesday morning. It is going to be a bitterly cold start to the day on Wednesday, still feeling like below zero during the afternoon as well. Actual forecast highs will be in the low to mid-teens, including just 12 in Des Moines. Thursday, even colder with single-digit highs Thursday afternoon, 6 in Des Moines, just 7 in Ames. Slight improvement by Friday, but still awfully cold with highs mainly in the teens. We do get some improvement on Saturday with the high of 36. Another cold front will knock us back down near 20 next Sunday and Monday. A little bit of improvement by the middle of next week with highs in the 30s to the low 40s. And the extended forecast looking generally dry for central Iowa with very little chance for any snowfall.